Hello, in this video I will be reviewing the Kortex app. The first time I heard of it was actually a few minutes ago before I started recording. I was on YouTube. I found a podcast with someone who was, I think, interviewing the founders, and I picked up the name. I went on Google. I found this application. I created my account. I typed OneNote, and the interface was different. So I decided maybe I have to, just record my first experience with it so it stays with me. Okay. This is actually, I just have to confirm this again. This is my first time using this Cortex app. So there will be some discovery parts. There will be some questions asked. So just think of it as really, an honest review of this application coming from Notion and Asana, because I have been using them for at least over 2 years. Okay. This is the let's go to the homepage of Cortex because it was interesting. This was actually picked my attention. The AI powered second brain. Okay, one place for all your ideas, notes, highlights, and writing. Synthesize it all with key AI without sacrificing your creativity. So of course we're not gonna watch this video, but I wanna just discover it by myself. But let's look at this. It seems like they have um, they have AI models. That's fine. I actually noticed that it's a little bit similar to the interface of GPT. I know not on a deep level, but because I was trying to put my first note and it gave me this interface. And then I was waiting for someone to reply back as if I was talking to GPT, but then it seems like that's their interface. It looks like a conversation screen. So here actually it says, I remember seeing a sentence, oh, this one. This is from Thailand Cements. Cortex is like if Google Docs, Notion, and Obsidian had a baby. All of my ideas, highlights, and past writing, and finally in one place. Okay, here's the thing, before we even dig into this application, a lot of applications pretend, or let's say they just say they have solved the biggest problem of founders or users of the internet in general, which is having everything in one place. I've heard this multiple times with Asana. I've heard this multiple times with Notion, and I'm hearing this with Cortex over here, and I'm sure I heard this on many other applications and websites. So the thing with having everything in one place, I don't know, everyone is obsessed with the idea of having everything in one place. I understand this because when you have things scattered all over the place, when you have a piece of information on Google, another piece of information on Notion, this really provides you with a very bad experience. However, if too many applications say that they have solved it and you can just have everything in one place, I think sometimes this is overused and it's also overrated. Okay, some things will always stay outside of these applications, and the moment you try to bring really literally everything in one application, you will find limitations, and sometimes you just complicate your workflow more than it should be complicated. Okay, so let's not talk too much and start reviewing actually Cortex. This is the default page that they give you to start from. The best way to start using Cortex is to have a purpose for it, taking notes, writing social content, creating templates, planning your personal life, create documents for your writings, use Capture to jot down ideas and connect to specific documents. Okay, so it says here that we should create documents. Okay, and then we capture. Okay, so basically the documents is kind of the folders and the capture is the notes. So this is just a terminology difference. Use the chats to use our pre-made Cortex AI flows or reference documents and sources with AI, okay? The library to integrate your highlights with a readwise, drag in PDFs, and use elements to organize the content inside by tapping, okay. So it seems like on the creation side, this is kind of similar to Notion. So let's try something, you know. I'm just gonna open these are templates, they come within the tool. They give it with this template. So let's see, what is this? Life reset planning instructions. This template is made for auditing your life and planning your weeks. Duplicate this template by right clicking on the document. Oh wow, yeah. Fill out the elements below to the best of your knowledge. Every week, duplicate weekly review element by right clicking on the element. Where is the weekly review? Okay, this is the one. And delete the instructions element. Go to chat, new chat, personal growth advisor. Okay, what is the chat? Go to chat, then open new chat. Where is the chat? Okay, they want us to go over there. That's fine. But I just want to try this one here. Okay, let's try to duplicate it. Ah, this is just gonna duplicate this element over here. This is kind of weird. You know, the experience of duplicating is strange because you just have to right click on the inside the block. Yeah, I was looking for something like a menu, like the things we have on Notion, but so how are we gonna duplicate this full page? It should be here, right? It should be here, but no, we don't have it here. That's strange. Right clicking on the document, you mean over here? No, wait, this is not working. I don't know how to duplicate this, to be honest. Ah, okay, I think it's gonna be from here. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now this is copy. Okay, I'm gonna call it demo, and we're gonna put check the box. Let's see how it feels like to check the boxes inside Cortex. Fill out. Okay, this writes out every activity you do at each hour. What do you mean? Okay, let's just give it something here. What do you mean? Should I write everything I do? Breakdown. Okay. Yeah, these are just toggles and breakdown. Let me just see. Trying the post and idea, blah blah blah. Okay, I think this is strange actually. The feeling is strange coming from Notion, where everything is, everything is. I don't know how to explain it, but if you use Notion, you probably know what I mean. Clarify. This is reverse engineer. Break down what you want. Hierarchy. Okay, and then we have an example. Okay. Feels a little low. This is my first, yeah, a few minutes ago, actually, 30 minutes ago. So, yeah, let's do this, delete, and we're gonna write something here. This is my second note on Cortex. How does it feel? See, now we send a note, but then what's gonna happen now? If we send another note, this is the third note. How does it look like? Okay, is this just gonna be like me talking to myself? Because if it's the case, then this is strange actually. Learn how to use Cortex? No. We can learn, but what do you want us to learn? Comprehensive notes or review summary? Let's see. learn any skill. I want to learn algebra. Let's see. So basically, this is kind of, it looks like a ChatGPT plus a note-taking feature. I think this is what this thing is. Okay, now they are trying to teach me algebra. Okay. I don't know. It's not like captivating. This is not I don't know, man. This feels strange. I don't feel like I want to come back here. It's strange, you know. Some applications you just know you wanna don't have that feeling. Okay, yeah, it just feels strange. I just remove this. What are the settings? Where are these settings? Um, man, this is so difficult, you know? I'm just full with focus mode. What is this focus mode? Okay. I don't know. I don't want to use this anymore. Ask AI. No, I don't want to ask AI. Yeah, so the goal. Let's try, you know what? Let's try the note taken. We're gonna put slash. Let's see what they have. They have a new group. Yeah, this I think this is what a new group. I don't know what they mean by a group, but let's say try something easy. New capture. Then so okay, so we cannot in the capture notes we cannot use the slash. This is strange, you know. We can just use it in the documents. Okay, so let's try new document. And over here, I'm gonna use heading type 2, and we're gonna use heading 3, testing. Then we're gonna use to-do list, check box 1, check box 2, and then I'm gonna see what else I can do. At least they have the justifiers, which Notion doesn't have. We have block quote, we have divider. Okay, we all of this is new element or new source. Social post, summary, key points, hook. Okay, this is a hook. This is a hook, and yeah, you can. I love the idea that you can toggle elements so that you can hide them. You know, can we turn into? Can we? I don't think they have it. Let's try it. Turn. No, they don't have it into another type, but I don't think they have it. Look here. Oh yeah, they have it. Yeah, we can turn it, but the options are pretty limited. Yep, the options are pretty limited. So, let me see regarding the pictures. You know what? I can try to build, a template over here, but I'm not sure if there is demand for the Cortex templates. If there is demand or not. I added a picture, but it's not showing here. You know what? Let's go on Google and see what people are saying. Cortex. I will remove this one from here. Um, how I write 7 days of content. I don't know why Dan seems to be using it so much. I'm not sure why. 7 days of content. I just want to see like how things look like because fall in love with this application. Yeah, it's kind of weird. Look how things look like. Um, this is not for me, for sure. Maybe some people will like this, but it's not for me. Yeah, I'll be happy to see what you think about it. Thank you.